Hey Hasselblad, you know what this is? It's an Instax. You want it? I'm gonna show you how to put this in this, with this. Me. Hello, it's me. I'm Steven Allen. How are you doing today? Hit the subscribe button if you like Instax and let me know, do you like square, mini, or wide more? I do have other videos on this Chanel about the Hasselblad and this Phase 1 P20 digital back in the card, in the description. I do have another video going into more detail about how to shoot Instax on the Hasselblad 500CM with a Polaroid film back. So watch that in the card, in the description. This is the month of Hasselblad for this Chanel. We are going to see more videos about the Hasselblad 500CM this month in March. Instax Square, and we want to put it in one of these, a Polaroid film back. Is it possible? It is. These are just some tests that I ran, as you can see, because there's no image on it. But anyway, take one of these out in complete darkness. Then you want to take your Polaroid film back like this, open it up. I have this little cartridge. This is what the FP100C Fujifilm, what it's in, and you just load it in, and that's what this is for, but we are going to use it for an Instax. So you don't have to have one of these. You want to make sure that this part, the back, is facing out because that's what you expose for Instax film. So you want to be careful with it because this is the chemical pod at the bottom. You don't want to break it, but you'll just slide your film in. And then you could load it in like so. But if you didn't have that, you just take this. You want to tape it in. Tape it in here, tape it in here. There you go. Polaroid film back. You know this situation, okay? Tedious part is that you can only take one photo at a time. That's intense. Are you Team Instax or Team Polaroid? The plan is to post 3 times a week, Monday and Thursday and Saturday at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We'll see. Again, we'll see. I'm doing my best. I'm doing my best. Subscribe to this YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up and do something to the bell. Tap it so you get notified whenever I post a new video. Visit my website, Prillen.com, where you can see my art, my store, my blog, my merch, my music, my clothing, and all of that stuff and more. And until next time, take a little time to make art and be brilliant. I'll talk to you later. Goodbye. Intense. If you're watching this in the future, congratulations, you made it. You're in the future. Wow.